Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and here I'm gonna have a quick conversation to you and show some things to you also very briefly in order to provide you a better listening experience in Linux. I really hope you people enjoyed this video so much, and in case anything or something here is not clear to you, or if you want me to explain certain things that I haven't covered in this video in more details, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below and I'll be glad and really happy to assist you. So let's jump right in. When it comes to Linux, a must-have application for music listening and also for sound adjustment is called Easy Effects, formerly known as Pulse Effects. So Easy Effects is a newer version of Pulse Effects, and basically they look like the same application, but the difference is that Easy Effects is responsible for adjusting or configuring or they run in a more modern sound server that is called Pipewire, whereas Pulse Audio or Pulse Effects, sorry, runs on Pulse Audio, that is an older version or an older sound server. With that being said, let's open Easy Effects so I can show to you how I personally like to set up everything in here. So as you may see, this is the start screen of the Easy Effects, and then you have some few options right here. So first of all, note that Easy Effects can be used to adjust your output, so your speakers or headphones, whatever, and also your microphone. So you can make adjustments to each one of these inputs or outputs. Here you have all the players, or in other words, any application that are producing sound to your computer, and also the effects that you want to add to either your input or output configuration, or in this case, the preset. So I'm going to click here in the top menu of the preset to add one that I already created here, clicking on the file, and then I'm gonna open this one. So it's gonna load everything. I have to click here and load. So it will load all the configurations. So it has crashed. So yeah, I'm doing things here in a very improvised way. But yes, as you can see here, it has loaded all my configurations for this preset right here. So you can also start your own preset if you want, but the guidelines that I wanted to show you here are, especially when it comes to the equalizer, that is like really interesting, is that you should pay attention to two things right here. To not go like here, like first things first, I have selected a 32 band equalizer here, and I have reach to the result I wanted, and then I just wanted to tell you that you have to pay attention to two details right here. To not go overboard with each configuration right here, with each setting, because this is like visually a little bit tricky, because you see there is like a lot of space, a lot of empty space right here, so you you do it like right there, like this, but remember that yeah, up to 10 decibels, it is already like too much, so be careful when it comes to setting up this. So you do it for basically each frequency you want. I really don't mess up with like each configuration right here. I just leave as it is by default. And the other thing I want to show you here that is really, really important is to set or to lower the input and the output levels. So in this case, I um, I lower to minus 5.6 decibels. Why is that? Because you're amplifying each one of the frequencies here. So um, if you don't lower these two volume mixers right here, the end result's gonna be like an overdrive, a certain kind of overdrive feeling to your headphones or speakers, and that's not what you are seeking, right? So in order to avoid that, it's really important that you lower these mixers right here to like a level that doesn't or that avoids that kind of overdriving. And basically, there's not much to do right here. I'm just gonna be like very brief when it comes to adjusting. You have like many other effects right here. If you want to try that out, it's perfect. But for me, when it comes to music listening, this is just like this is more than enough. Please note that um, if you add too much effects, they will make our computer slower. Yeah, they ask something from your CPU, from your sound card. So if you don't have a very powerful PC, it might be a problem, especially when you're watching like a video or like a live concert. You will see that the audio is delayed a little bit because there are too many effects added to your easy effects. But yeah, I can say personally, I'm a very demanding person when it comes to listening to music listening, and the equalizer solely is far for me. It's really fine for me. Sorry. Now, let me show you then another thing that's quite useful, because let's say you're gonna make your own adjustment here. You're gonna create your own preset, and you're gonna save it. Let's create another preset called custom, and then we're gonna save all the current settings to the preset file. The thing that most people cannot find is the preset file. So you can, I don't know, after formatting your PC, you can load that same preset as I did with my 80 preset. And just as a disclaimer here, I'm using the Flatpak application of the Easy Effects because I think it's really good, it's stable, it's just perfect. And then I'm gonna show you here where you can access that preset file so that you can save it for like backup matters. So I just opened the file manager. I'm gonna enable the hidden directories, and I'm gonna access the VAR directory. I'm gonna go to the app, and then I'm gonna search for this one right here, Easy Effects. Here I'm gonna go for the config, Easy Effects, and then you're gonna see two folders right here. So since we only created a preset for the output, we are gonna find our preset right here. So then you can simply copy and then paste in like another folder, so you can like back it up in whichever distro you want. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if in any case something didn't work out for you well, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. And more than that, I really hope that after this video you're gonna have a more pleasant sound experience in the Linux environment. Um, I do have another video when it comes to music listening in Linux planned, and I'm gonna post it, or I'm gonna upload it as soon as I can. And yes, I think that's gonna be like a complementary video to this one, but it's like something more personal to me, as some people don't have the same kind of need when it comes to listening to music listening. So I really hope this video was really useful to you as well. And yeah, please also let me know if you want me to share my configuration, my output file, so that you can at least have something like something to work on instead of working from scratch. So thank you, and bye bye.